Hello students, welcome back. Our next concept or next topic in LaTeX and Beamer is including of any figure or any graph. So we'll see a command how we can include any graph or any figure in LaTeX. It's very important from your in your project point of view also, because you need to be including the university logos or any graphs which you have done in your problems. So it's very important. So we shall now see the code how we'll do it. I have taken a new document and I am going to start up with document class article, document class article, and I need to use a package here. Use package. The package here is graphics, graphics. Okay. Next I need to begin a document. So begin document. Now first let me save this file. Okay, including your figures, saving the file is very important. Without saving you can't execute it. Okay, in graphics, including of graphics. Now I'm going to save this in, for example, I take it as desktop only, and I'm going to save this as some save 4. I have saved now. Now what you need to do, you need to just go for wizards and you need to include the graphic. But before that we need to save a figure or a graph first, right? So for example, I am going for Scilab. I'll take Scilab. See, this is a Scilab software and I'm going to go for SciNotes, and let me take a graph, say plot 3D, and I'm going to execute it. See, I got a graph. Now what I need to do, I need to insert this graph now. I need to insert this graph in LaTeX now. How shall we do that? First you need to save this, or first you need to export this. Say you need to export this, where you need to save this image or save this graph in the file where you have saved the text file. The text file where I had saved that in desktop. So you need to save this graph also in desktop. See, in desktop only I am saving it, but you need to save this in JPEG image only. This is very important. You need to save this image or graph in JPEG image format only. Now I have saved the JPEG format. Now I have saved this in desktop. Now we'll move on to text. See, LaTeX. Now what I am going to do, I am going to go for wizards, and here I need to go for insert graphic, and here I need to select the file or select the graph which I want to include. I'll go for desktop and I'm going to search the thing which I want to include. See, this is the one. See, I have now given. You need to give here user define, and you need to give it blank here, and all other are same. You need to give OK. See, the commands are automatically taken. Now we shall execute and see whether the graph will come or not in the output. See, we got a graph. But this graph, if you see, it's not coming, its width is very large. So what should we do? We should make the width to be less. For that the command is here in include graphics. After that you need to have a square bracket and you need to give width equals, say for example 0.5, 0.7, whatever you want give. I'll give it as 0.5 backslash line width is the command. Okay, now you observe the difference. See, the graph has now came very clearly. Now see, here this figure 1 is automatically taken, you can't change here, but I want to give the caption for this. I want the name for this. For example, I want the name for this graph to be 3D graph. How shall we give that? See, after in this caption you need to give, for example, whatever you want you can give. I'm going to give 3D graph and we shall execute. See, we got whatever caption you want you can give here. Then as width we can increase or decrease the height also. After line width you should give a comma and you need to give height equals whatever you want. For example, I'm going to give 0.5 backslash text height is the command, and you execute it. See, the height has been increased now to 0.5. This is the command. Next, I need to change the angle of this figure. How can we do that? You need to use angle equals, for example, I'm going to give 45. Observe the difference. See, the angle has been changed now to 45 degrees. So this is nothing but including of any figure. You can include any figure or any graph, but it should be saved in JPEG format only, and it should be saved where it should be saved in the location where your text file is saved. Now see, I have saved this text file in desktop. I have saved the image also in desktop. So both should be in same. Now let me include one more figure and show you people. Now I am going to edit this. I am going to remove this begin figure, end figure also. See, now what I am going to do, I am going to include our North University logo. This is a North University website. See, I will save this image now as, I shall save this image as in JPEG format. I need to save it in desktop itself. Why? I have saved the text file also in desktop. So I am going to save this now. Next, I am going to move for text, and I am going to go for wizards, insert graphic, and I need to search the file. So I need to search the file. See, I got this. I got the image. We shall now include it. See, I am going to execute now. See, we got the university logo, but I want to take it as bank. I want it to be BNU logo. I want the caption to be BNU logo. I can give whatever you want. You can give here the caption. See, you got the caption. Next up, for now I want, see, if you observe, this logo is very much larger, so I need to make it a bit small. How can we do that? In the sense, see, you can take here, after include graphics, you need to give scale. Scale equals, I need to reduce it, right? So I am going to give it as 0.5. If you want to increase it, you can give in digits 2, 4, 6, 8 like that, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I want to reduce it to half, so I am giving 0.5, and we shall execute it. See, the logo is now reduced by half. So this is nothing but your inserting graphics or inserting any figure. This is very important topic. You need to include any graphic, or if you want to include any figure, you can do it easily. But the main thing is here is you need to include the graphic. Save the graph or any image in the file where you have saved the text also. Text file and the image should be in the same file. Okay, so just practice it and let me know if you have any doubts.